Welcome to our channel Roadworthy Rides. The 2025 Pontiac GTO is back, bringing a legendary nameplate into the modern era with a bold design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. This new generation muscle car pays homage to its heritage while delivering the speed and innovation that today's drivers crave. Stick around as we dive into what makes the 2025 GTO a true modern muscle icon. The exterior of the 2025 Pontiac GTO features an aggressive stance with a wide, sculpted body, a bold front grille, and signature quad-LED headlights that give it an unmistakable presence. With available 20-inch alloy wheels and aerodynamic enhancements, the GTO is designed to cut through the air with precision. The muscular rear design, highlighted by a rear spoiler and LED taillights, adds to the car's powerful aesthetic. Step inside, and you'll find a high-performance cockpit infused with modern technology and premium materials. The interior boasts a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, featuring Pontiac's latest interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Available Recaro sport seats, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a racing-inspired feel. With ample legroom and premium finishes, the GTO blends comfort with high-performance functionality. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Pontiac GTO offers a 6.2-liter Supercharged V8 engine, producing an exhilarating 650 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic for ultimate control. The all-new hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V6 option delivers 550 horsepower, balancing power and efficiency. The GTO boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest muscle cars on the road. Advanced suspension tuning and a rear-wheel drive setup ensure thrilling handling and performance in every drive. Pontiac has equipped the GTO with advanced safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and performance stability control to keep the power in check. With these cutting-edge technologies, the GTO remains both a beast on the road and a safe ride for daily driving. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Pontiac GTO starts at around $55,000, and for the base model, while high-performance trims and limited edition variants can go up to $80,000, and with its combination of raw power, aggressive design, and modern technology, the GTO reclaims its place as a top contender in the muscle car world. What do you think about the return of the Pontiac GTO? Is this the muscle car you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews and the latest automotive updates.